Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change size of captions in accessibility menu in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to open our phone settings. Then in settings, we're looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Then we need to go to accessibility menu at the top. Then in the hearing tab, we're looking for caption preferences. And in here, we have the switch to turn the option on or off. We can change the default language. We can change the caption style, and here we can change text size. So we have, as you can see, 5 presets. We have very small, so it's barely visible on this preview, and we have our very large option. We do not have custom function, but we have 5 presets. That's all.